I don't want this video to get flagged. We just got our latest commission and oh boy. So, half of this isn't safe for work. The fabulous MadBDiva has gotten in contact with me and has requested something very special. For MadBDiva, I will be making a reversible BOA, one of my large novelty BOAs. I love making these. I made an alien queen BOA for Emmeline Spankhurst last year. I made giant intestine BOAs for Coffin Choke last year. Oh my god, my novelty BOAs just get ridiculous. So we have another one of those. Now, this BOA is going to be reversible. It's going to be a cat on one side, and on the reverse, I don't know if I can even show you the designs that I did up for MadBDiva because they are not safe for work at all. So I sent her two options. At first I thought a sort of double-ended deal might be the go, and then we worked together and came up with the concept of making it reversible, and once you reverse and hold it up, it's a giant. MadBDiva is performing in like a pride sideshow. The show sounds absolutely fabulous. It's called Daddies Can Be Divas Too. So let me tell you, MadBDiva, never in my life did I think I would be creating something like this. And let's talk about the cat side then, shall we? So if I'm going to make a giant cat, it is going to be one fabulous kitty. So Kitty's gotta have eyeliner, she's gotta have rhinestones, there's a lot of pink going on. The whiskers are made out of cable ties. This worked out awesome because they keep their shape but are able to bend if necessary. Also, they were clear, so once you're on the reverse side, it's clear, so you can't really see that detail in it. It doesn't draw that much attention. So I was really, really happy with that little aspect of it. Baby.
Baby.
Never heard. So I have to credit this idea to our resident cat expert, Mama LaRue. I went to her with the photos and I said, what do you think, as the resident expert? And she just, all in caps, give it nipples! And I'm like, you're so right. It was also looking really noodly, so I decided to add the arms on. The nails were just a little fun touch. MadBDiva, it is not often I am left speechless, and I applaud you, my friends. You can check out more of MadBDiva. I've posted all her socials below. And that's the cat side. So, as mentioned, if you would like to see the big reveal, I will be posting them on my socials. They'll probably get flagged too. Go support your local diva and see some fabulous performances around Pride and Mardi Gras this year. We are spoiled for choice. It's very exciting. So, have a blast. Thank you for joining me once again. I have been Lady Hart and you have been an audience. See you next week.